Love is about sharing life together, but that doesn't mean losing your sense of self. While being in a relationship often means connection, care, and emotional support, it becomes unhealthy when your happiness, decisions, or emotional stability rely entirely on your partner. A strong relationship is built not just on affection, but also on the independence of both people. Independence in love doesn't mean being distant or cold. It means staying true to who you are while still growing together. When both partners have their own passions, goals, and personal space, the relationship becomes a space of support rather than restriction. Only when you feel whole on your own can you truly bring happiness into someone else's life. Being together all the time isn't what makes love real. In fact, having space to reflect and recharge can deepen appreciation and bring new perspective. When two people respect each other's individuality and still stay connected, that's a sign of mature love. There will be phases in life where one or both of you need to focus on career, personal growth, or simply spend time alone. A lasting relationship doesn't require constant proximity. It requires trust, understanding, and the freedom to evolve. There's no perfect formula for love, but one key truth remains: never lose yourself in the process. Real love helps you grow into who you are, not away from it. It should be the space where you're free to be your full self and still deeply loved for it.